Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add an app to home screen on an iPhone. Let's get started. Unlock your iPhone. Swipe left on your home screen until you reach the app library. This is the last screen on the right. Now find the app you want to add. You can browse the folder or use the search bar at the top. Tap and hold the app icon. After that, simply drag the app to add to your home screen. The app will now appear on your home screen. And that's it. Now you know how to add apps to the home screen on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.